Hello viewers, welcome back to Calculations Drill, where maths, physics and further maths is made easy. My name is Christian Ogodo. If this is the first time seeing me, thank you for stopping by. Today's subject is on mathematics and the topic is indices. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to be the first to see my next video. Also like, share and watch till the end. Let's get started. Laws of indices. The first one is multiplication law. X raised to power a times x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a plus b. In indices, multiplication is equals to addition. Take note. Number 2 is division law. X raised to power a divided by x raised to power b equals to x raised to power a minus b. In indices, division is equals to minus. Number 3 is negative index law. X raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 over x raised to power 1. To remove the negative 1, it will be 1 over. Take note. Number 4, zero power law. X raised to power 0 is equals to 1. In indices, anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Number 5, fractional index law. X raised to power 1 over b is equals to b root of x raised to power 1. Another fractional index law, x raised to power a over b equals to b root of x raised to power a. The difference between 5 and 6 is that 1 is constant in 5, but a cannot be 1 in 6. A can be anything from 2 and above. Take note. Law 7 is power rule. X raised to power a in bracket, then raised to power b equals to x raised to power ab. Use a to multiply the b, and that will give you x raised to power ab. Let's consider some examples. Remember, the laws are arranged in no orders. Example 1. Simplify. 3 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 2 equals to 3 raised to power 4 plus 2, which will give us 3 raised to power 6. Can see example of multiplication law there. Number 2, simplify. 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 3. That is division law. That will give you 5 raised to power 4 minus 3, which is equals to 5 raised to power 1. Example 3. Simplify. 3 raised to power minus 1 is equals to 1 over 3 raised to power 1. Number 4, simplify. 6 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Number 5, simplify. The fractional index law in place now. We said simplify 8 raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to cube root of 8 is equals to 2. Cube root of 8 simply means a number you multiply by itself 3 times that will give you 8. That is 2 times 2 times 2. So our answer is equals to 2. Take note. Then number 6. Simplify. Eight raised to power 2 over 3 is equals to cube root of 8 raised to power 2. Remember, I told you cube root of 8 is equals to 2, and 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. The number 7. Simplify. 3 raised to power 2 in bracket raised to power 2. That will give us 3 raised to power 4, and which can further be done as 3 into 4 places. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equals to 81. As I said earlier on, the laws are arranged in no orders, and we have seen the basic laws of indices and some examples. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.